So you want to make money online? In this video, I'm going to share tips on how to earn up to $3,000 a month if you follow this strategy step by step. So when it comes to setting up your online business, you're going to need a platform that is going to help you run your online business. Now, there's a few players out there, the first one being ClickFunnels, but the trouble with this is the pricing. So you can see here, this is $97 per month. Now, the issue is right here. You have one sub user, 3 custom domains, and 3 payment gateways, but you don't have a lot to work with in order for your business to run. And you are paying $97 a month as you start your business. Now, as a beginner, this could be quite a bit of money put aside to start your online business. Now, if you really want the big package, this is where it goes to $297 a month, and this gives you pretty much everything that you need. Now, the second company that's out there, that's been out there for a while, which is also very good, is Kartra. But again, we run into the same problem, which is the pricing. So here you have your 2,500 leads, 1 custom domain, and so on for $99 per month. Now, next up there is $199 per month. Okay, so as you can see, the pricing here is a bit tricky if you're a beginner. So you may be thinking, well, what if I go to WordPress? Now, that's what I've been using for years, but you need some technical expertise in order for this to run smoothly. So this is where now I want to talk about system.io, because their plans really start from zero. Let me show you. So here we can start with a free plan, which has up to 2,000 contacts, which is way more than enough for you to start your online business. And here you have your 3 sales funnels. Again, you have a very good start to starting your online business. And then further on here, we have your funnel steps. We also have blog posts, unlimited, students, file storage, unlimited. Come on, guys, file storage unlimited. This is amazing. Now, what really makes this stand out is the fact that it does not restrict you from the traffic that comes to your website, which is really, really good. Now, let's talk about how to start your business and how you should structure it. So now that we've established our platform, which is system.io, so let's talk about how to get this business up and running. So the very first thing you're going to need is a landing page. So this landing page, the purpose of it is to collect your leads. Well, we need leads so that we can sell our products, we can sell our services, and also even our courses to those leads. Now, the reason why this process is very important is because you cannot just sell a product or a service to random people. You want to sell your products or services to people that have at least a liking to whatever it is that you're selling. Now, in order for you to get those leads, you need to create something that you're going to give away for free. So let's say, for example, you're into, say, dog training. What you do is you package some sort of a mini course and give it away for free. So whoever signs up for the dog training mini course, you know for a fact that they are interested in dogs. So this is where now you can start selling to those people that have opted into your mailing list that particular product. So the question now is, how do you get that list to grow? And this is where you need to create content. So there's 2 ways to do this. You can either create a blog or you can create a YouTube channel. Now, in my experience, YouTube has really worked very, very well for me, because when you create your content, people can find it through keyword research. Because if you don't know this, YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine. And this is super, super powerful and super important that you create a YouTube channel. Now, I know some of you may not be comfortable to be on camera. Well, all you have to do is to find a recording software. Like if you're on Mac, you can use QuickTime. You can just record your screen or just record videos of whatever it is that you're talking about. So once you've done that, slowly, you're going to get viewers viewing your content. And as they're viewing, they're going to be subscribing to your channel. Now, this is where the trick comes in. As they're subscribing to your YouTube channel, you don't have access to their email address or access to how you communicate with them. And this is where you need to get them off of YouTube and onto your mailing list. This is very important, because at least there you have the ability to send them emails or notifications or whatever it is. So let me show you how to set the system up on system.io. Okay, so let's talk about the first thing you're going to need. So the integral part of this is going to be your email. So the company I recommend here is SendGrid. So this is what I use. It connects really well with system.io, and this is what you're going to use for your email delivery and automation. And the really cool thing about this free plan is you can send 100 emails per day forever. So this is super, super cool to get you up and running fast, because the idea with this whole business business setup is for you to start off in a very lean way. You don't want to start off with a lot of costs because this is going to be very, very frustrating for your wallet. So we have system.io, which is again free to get started with. And you also have SendGrid, which at least allows you to send your emails out. Once you've signed up, what you need to do is to sign up for system.io. So over here, you can click here to get started for free, enter your email address. There we go. So I'm going to click on get started for free. Right. So all I have to do now is to check my email for these login details. Click here to confirm my registration, enter my new password. Excellent. So now I'm in my system.io dashboard. And as you can see, this was very, very easy to set up. This was less than a minute. So next you want to come over here to settings and go straight to your mailing settings. And then here is where you can say, I want to use my own SendGrid API key. So over here, remember, we mentioned SendGrid. So this is where once you sign up for a free account, you can get your API key. And once you get your API key, you come over here and paste it like that. So this now automatically connects system.io with SendGrid. So now that you have those two connected, the next part now is to create your landing page. So to create your landing page, you want to come over here to funnels, create, and then we can choose build an audience. So let's call this freebie, build an audience. And then I'm going to click on create. Now there's a few templates to start off with, which makes things very, very easy for us. So I'm just going to select this one here. So if you want to take a look and see what it looks like, you can just click here on view funnel step. There we go. This is what it looks like. Very simple. So all you have to do now is to click on edit page. Okay, so here it says launch your business in minutes. So ideally you want to add your own information here. So I'm going to say train your dog in less than 3 days. And then over here you want to add a picture of your dog. Okay, so I'm over here on pexels.com. I'm just going to download an image here. So let's go with this one and download it. Back on my editor, I am now going to upload my image by clicking here. Then I'm just going to drag and drop the file and then click on insert. And now my image has been added to my landing page. So the next step now is you can have this button here as a pop-up. So our option for our pop-up is right here. Add your pop-up. So once you've created your pop-up, you link it to the button. So every time someone signs up for the free training, they are going to be asked to enter their email address. And this is now how you're going to start building your mailing list. So let's go now to the second part, which is creating your YouTube channel. So creating a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. So once you've done that, you need to create videos regularly about dog training. But this is just for you to show that you know what you're talking about. Because what we're trying to achieve here is to get people to see that you know what you're talking about, and at least they like you and trust you. So you want to create that by doing a lot of videos talking about your expertise. So the more videos you create, the more people watch it. And then this is how people are going to end up signing up for your freebie. Now, once you've done that, this is where you can now create either a course or you can have an affiliate program. So I'm really more leaning to the side of affiliate marketing and courses because these two work hand in hand. You don't want to pick one over the other. So if there's a product you can promote via affiliates, that should work really, really well. So you want to do both. So once you've created your products, slowly, this is how you're going to start promoting your products to the mailing list, because these people on your mailing list already have presented an interest in whatever it is that you are selling. So this is how you create an online business that is sure to succeed. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box below. The link to system.io is in the video description below. You can use that to sign up for your free account. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.